Good day. I had a request after somebody saw my my 18th century fishing kit to show them how I made my fish hooks. So today I'm going to do a video on how I cold forge my fish hooks. Okay, thanks for watching. Now this piece of wire is about 2.5 inches long. I think that's what, 70 centimeters, something like that. And first of all I have to flatten the ends out. I don't want to go too far up the wire. Okay, that's the end the fishing line goes on. So I have to turn that now, turn that round halfway, and then we'll do the hook end. And this one's a bit harder because I don't want to go as far up the wire. Just want the end done. Try that. See how we go. Alright, this is just the snelled end where the fishing line's going to go. Tidy it up a bit. Make sure it's not going to be too sharp on the end where I've been hammering on it. That feels okay. Okay, that's the easy part. Bit more of an angle. there it is, finished fish hook. If I was to make lighter ones than this, which I have done, I usually use obviously a lighter wire, thinner wire, and a high tensile wire. This wire is just ordinary coat hanger wire, and it's plenty strong enough. So yeah, it works well. And of course you can make them to fit your needs as regards to length and depth of the hook and the width. But this one will do me for now to add to my collection.